we're blowing woke. The first one, it's fairly short, like 33 feet or so, and it played a little bit tighter than what I had imagined. I thought it would hook quite a bit more, but I could stay a little bit further right, and I think urethane's going to be the play, at least for the beginning part of it. Hopefully the majority. It allows me to keep my angles in front of me, which I like to do, not have to open it up so much. But once that kind of goes away, then you can kind of throw reactive into it. Once the urethane wiggles or you lose ball reaction with it. But I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Make good shots, pick up your spares. Try to strike as much as you can, because you got to strike out here.
It's going to get that look where you're really, really far left, and then you just don't get the creep that way and don't look for a lot of shade there.
The other pattern, bear, I think it's 39 or 40 feet. That one, it's a little bit tricky because you can stay straight to start, but you have to really pay attention to your moves and stay ahead of it, because it breaks down fairly quick. So your angles through the front part of the lane and getting it down lane at the right spot is really going to be key on that one. That was a good one.